Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. I know you're probably expecting to see chickens and animals and how to do all those things out on the farm, but today I'm just talking to the ladies. And I also said that on our channel that we would not be your average, you know, homesteader or farming channel. We're not gonna, that is our main focus, but we will talk about in side issues and things that are in interest of ours. Just anything that comes to mind that we want to do, that we feel we can share with you guys, that's either interesting, funny, or helpful, you know. So I've had a lot of comments on my hair color. A lot of women want to know what hair color I'm using and what brand. So I use Revlon. Here's the hair color that comes with it. Comes with one bottle of hair color. And it comes with a pouch of cream rinse. I also use another cream rinse. Hold on just a minute. Alright. I was really prepared for this, wasn't I? Anyway, this is the color I use. This is the girl on the box, and it's a medium brown, number 41. And then I also use this. I only use it when I color my hair, but it's an Aussie 3-minute miracle moist 3 times. You can find it over where you find your shampoos. You can find it pretty much at any store. Sometimes they even sell it at the general store, Dollar General, but you can find it at all the other stores. And no, I'm not getting paid to promote any of these products. Like I said in my videos before, these are just stuff we use, that we were going to use anyway. So I just thought it might be helpful for other people. And I've gotten a lot of inquiries about my hair color. So it looks very natural. This is close to my natural hair color. I do have natural red highlights in my hair. You can't see it in the light, but I have natural red highlights in my hair. When I was born, my hair was blonde, not cotton top, but it was I think what they call a light brown to blondish. It was really like a blonde, but not like a yellowy blonde, more like a blondish brown. Oh, excuse me. But anyways, and as I got older, my hair got darker. My hair is actually the color of my daughter's, which is a dark brown. And this isn't quite dark brown, but if I go dark brown with how pale I am, it'll make me look paler. But so that's the hair color. You can find it anywhere. It's very affordable. It's ammonia-free, and usually I just use 1 bottle, and I do my roots each month, and that's enough to do more than my roots. As you can see the gray going out there. I do more than my roots. This 1 bottle for me, and you see how long my hair is. Let me back it up. See how long my hair is. My hair is like a little below my chest. See, if you can see my Guns N' Roses shirt. I wear this shirt that way I don't get my other clothes dirty if I get color on it. So what I'll do is mix this up in here, then you shake it around. For those who maybe haven't colored with it before or used this type, you have to snip the top off first. It comes with gloves already, so you don't have to worry about gloves. And let's see, like I said, there's the gold cream rinse, but it's just a little packet. So if you have long hair like mine, or you're doing a wider area, you'll want to have some extra cream rinse. And I suggest this. This is really good. It's only 3 minutes. And this one I think you leave in for 1 to 3 minutes too. And on the side it shows you variations of what your hair color will look like depending on what your hair color is now. I was using a lighter color, but it was just too light and it made my hair look really red, and it just played on my highlights. And my hair is not naturally red, but my hair is naturally, like I said, a dark brown. So This is the before picture, and yes, my hair looks awful. I haven't washed it in a couple days, and you can see it's kind of needing to be washed, which you should do before you color your hair. Let your hair, build up some of that natural oil in it, because it's going to really be kind of harsh on your hair when you color it. Even though you're using ammonia-free, it's going to really clean that up and make your hair really super soft and fluffy. So that's it. And also, you will have to leave it in your hair for 30 minutes. Then you'll want to rinse it out with some warm water. Make sure you don't get it in your eyes. And then dry your hair. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. I have my gloves on, and I just got through shaking this up a little bit. This is the dye, the hair color, and dumping it into this container. Then I'm putting the lid back on it real tight, and then shake it away from you. But you want to shake it up good. You can go ahead and start putting your trash back in this box. Just kind of hitting it on my palm as I shake it. Okay. And then, this is just the way I do it. I don't know if this is the right way or the wrong way, but I just start coloring it up here at the top. See? Start coloring it up here at the top. Remember, I'm just worried about the gray. If I have any left over, then I will worry about just kind of blending it in more. Once I get the front part done, I just start going back in the insides here, doing hair color. Go around the back side here. See right back here? Get the color back in there. Squeeze some off in there, and then just kind of rub it in. My sister-in-law inspired me to do this video. She was inquiring about my hair color and different stuff like that, so then just keep using your hair color up, putting it through, kind of parting the waves there, seeing it, making sure you're getting all the gray. You can put a little Vaseline around your hairline right there. Just not on the hair, but around on your skin. It'll help keep from getting that dye on there and bleaching, like, not bleaching, but staining your skin. It usually comes off within a day or so, even if you don't use it. Whew. Then if I have extra, just see how much of it just one bottle did of my hair. Now I have, I like to say I have thin hair, so So if you have thicker hair, you may need more. But I think my hair is a little medium to, I don't know, it's not thin, but it's not real thick. And it's not, probably like medium, I guess. With using those vitamins I talked about, it's make my hair grow a lot better. Faster too. So that's what I do. I just kind of work the rest back up on there and work it in with it to get a little color on it. Make sure I use every little bit out of there. Okay. I stick it in my box too. I use this as my little trash can. Then I want to make sure I got it worked in here good. Everything looks good, because sometimes you'll get these little fine hairs right there. You want to make sure you get them in there. I see here's some right here on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but so anyways. And I just don't keep the gloves. After I'm done, I'm done. Sure, I rub everything up on there. Put it in my little trash can thing here, which is the box. Then I go back and I get some tissue and rub. Rub the little places off here. Right there. Where I got over. It also helped that I have makeup on already. Get a little bit more paper. Off your ears. So. Okay. That's about it. Now we have to wait 30 minutes and come back and rinse it out. So I'm out here, guys, so you can see what my hair outside, so you can see what my hair looks like. Still got the coloring in it, but I'm about to go rinse it out. But as you can see, it's a lot darker already. And I'll come back after it's been rinsed and dry and everything and show you what the final results are. Okay, so we're back, and this is the final result. I haven't styled my hair or anything. I don't do a lot of styling because I find that damages your hair. But as you can see, final results. The gray is gone. It just looks like my other parts of my hair. You know, it all blends in. See? All blends in. Still a little wet, so it may lighten up a little bit more, but not much. This is the medium brown Revlon, and I believe the number, let me go check that one more time for you guys. Okay, I got it right here. No, it's appearing backwards, but it's the number 41 medium brown. Revlon ColorSilk Beautiful Color. And it's ammonia-free, so it won't damage your hair. Give it a try. It is one of the least expensive ones, and you can pick it up at your grocery store. And it just, I mean, it's worth it. It's affordable. You can get it while you're at the grocery store. You don't have to make a separate trip. I believe they're selling for about, they used to sell for about $3. So I don't know if the prices went up recently. I usually keep some stocked up a little bit. Like, I keep one extra hair color. So, it may have went up from $3, but even so, that's not bad. And if you need to, that's only $6 if you've got really thick hair. And even if you got really thick hair and long hair and you have to do, that's still only $9. I mean, considering how much you pay to go to someplace else and have your hair colored and everything. And then you could afford to splurge if you wanted to and get some of those highlight kits and do some highlights, you know, to save some money. Because the prices of everything is shooting up, way, way up. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it's not our standard regular type videos with our farm videos. My husband's hoping to have some time to upload some videos we have coming that are more related to the farm and country type stuff. But, I mean, give this a try. I think you'll be really happy with it. God bless everyone. See you next time and have a sunshiny day.